Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the contact or credit card info card for Safari autofill on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down, then tap on Safari. Next, go down and then in the general section, tap on autofill. Now at the top section is your contact info card. So tap on my info and in here you can select a new contact and that will update the contact for autofill in Safari. The bottom one is the credit cards info, so you can tap on save credit cards and in here select a credit card that you would like to use as the default credit card, so that when the form requires you to fill out the credit card details, it will use the selected credit card to autofill the form in Safari. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.